What should you pay attention to when you cough or sneeze amid the pandemic? Droplet transmission is one of the main transmission ways of the new coronavirus. For your health and the health of others, be sure to cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you sneeze or cough. The virus then stays on the tissue, so make sure to throw the used tissue into a covered trash can. If it is in a hospital, for the confirmed case of COVID-19 patients, they must throw the tissues used for sneezing or cough into a specific medical infection trash can of the hospital. Clean your hands immediately after sneezing or coughing. Together, we can beat the new coronavirus.